Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to add or change your relationship status on Facebook. So let's get started. At first let's get into Facebook app. So here it is. Now click on your profile icon in the top right corner and we need to scroll down. Simply click on settings. Scroll down to profile details. And if you scroll down, we can see a relationship written over here. Simply click on add relationship if you have not added, and simply click on edit if you want to edit it. And click on relationship status and choose your relationship status right now. And once you are done, simply click on save. Now to edit, you can simply click on this edit icon, click on this and change it. Once you are done, click on save. So this is it. This is all we can do to add or edit our relationship status on Facebook. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.